Night and day, the world runs on fuel. Next to labor, fuel is the largest operating cost of any fleet. SM2 Fuel is an automated system designed to track and manage fleet fueling operations. The automation of SM2 Fuel system is entirely modular, from basic identification via keypad input to RFID cards and key tags, all the way to a fully automated and theft-proof system using vehicle data units and passive nozzle tags. The Vehicle Data Unit, or VDU, is a small plug-and-play device that is easily installed into any vehicle without manual setup or configuration. The passive nozzle tag is a rugged, weatherproof rubber component that slips around any standard fuel nozzle like a splash guard. Its embedded electronics require no battery or external power and allow for an easy theft-proof fueling operation. All the operator must do is drive up to the dispenser and begin fueling. SM2 Fuel automatically identifies the vehicle and unlocks the corresponding hose. If the nozzle is withdrawn at any point during fueling, SM2 Fuel locks the pump and closes the transaction, guaranteeing that fuel is dispensed only to authorized vehicles. While fueling is in progress, the VDU automatically transmits crucial maintenance planning data, such as vehicle mileage, engine hours, idle times, and fault codes to a central database. Volumes dispensed are reflected in inventory tracking, ready for reconciliation and reporting. SM2 Fuel provides central management of a practically unlimited number of sites, showing critical information from all locations in real time. From software to hardware to customer support, SM2 Fuel is a fully integrated solution like no other on the market. Account for every drop of fuel spent. Book your demo today.